Good morning. Today's video would be about top 5 coffee shops close to Bodinayakanur railway station. We will start from number 5 and would go all the way to number 1. Number 5 is AJS Maligai Store Tea and Coffee Center. We get hot coffee, hot tea, and packed snack items in this grocery store. This coffee shop is located a few meters after we cross the railway track towards the north. Number 4 is Annalakshmi Ginger Coffee Shop. We get delicious ginger coffee along with packed snack items and cookies in this boardless tiny grocery shop. This coffee shop is located on the outskirts of Bodinayakanur. This coffee shop is located on the way to Munnar. Number 3 is Jack Sparrow Cafe. We get some great coffee here along with tea and quick bites. This coffee shop is located on Kamaraj Bazaar Road nearby Tea Boy Coffee Shop. Number 2 is Tea Boy. We get tea, coffee, and some chilled drinks and a great variety in cookies in this coffee shop. This coffee shop is located on Kamaraj Bazaar Road opposite JJ Jewelry. Number 1 is Achi Mess. We get both veg tiffins and non-veg dishes like biryani in Achi Mess, which was opened in the year 2000. Achi Mess is located in Silamalai. Thank you.